Udine is a beautiful town in Friuli Venezia Giulia to discover. But what do they do for fun in Udine?
We took a walk in the city center, and it's really pretty.
For fun, we walk through the center.
We enjoy to drink wine. No, me.
Looking at the beautiful buildings, and now I'm looking for a little taverna for an aperitivo, and afterwards for a small dinner.
For fun, of course, I'm used to playing music.
Dinner with my friends, having wine, and sometimes we are going to the discotheque, museums. That's it.
For fun, I go to the cinema, watch movies, and I don't know. I visit places. I go places. I see things.
Endless walks up and down the city. And
What's your favorite place?
this way.
Yeah, why?
Because it's it's the center of Udine Movida.
Just hang out with friends in Udine, in Midtown. We like to share some, pre-dinner cocktail and stuff like that, and spend some time together.
I prefer to go out the city in the place with the green, with the sea, with the river. There are a lot of places in half an hour by car from Udine, and I prefer the nature.